What was slated to be a summer project turned into a recovery mission for students in North St. Louis.
So they were learning to fly drones and also doing some coding. Now they're mapping out needs of tornado survivors in their neighborhood. Tonight, our Tracy Henson gives us a look at how it goes.
We've taken an old school building, an old elementary school here in North City at the corner of Taylor and MLK, and we've just been going room by room.
Transforming it into a space for hands-on learning.
And they can do woodworking, we'll do some small engines, we'll do kitchen, of course the maker space where we're at here.
And in the corner, a set of drones.
We wanted to teach kids how to fly drones.
And how to map out areas with those drones.
Our block in particular, and then begin solving some problems. And so one of the ideas that we had kicked around is like, how to keep weeds off the sidewalk.
There'd be no aerial maps of sidewalks. Instead,
when the tornado hit, it was actually the week that we were supposed to do that whole project.
Pivoting to map out a bigger need.
We did aerial shots where the tornado had done damage, and then began to use the mapping for the purposes of helping people.
Pinpointing who needs help and getting them what they need.
So these are households that we have been able to talk with and visit.
Mapping out what supplies people need and who hasn't been checked in on a while.
So normally this would be full of chairs and it would be a worship center.
Now it's the epicenter of a neighborhood project.
This has a lot of implications for the rebuilding of North City.
Mapping out current needs, but transitioning to future dreams.
We can actually track what that vision of each individual family would be, what they're wanting to see happen for North City to be rebuilt.
Tracy Henson, 5 on your side.
So to date, Love the Loose students have tracked nearly 6,000 donations distributed to over 2,000 households.